From wars to natural disasters to political strife, in 2017, crisis after crisis has dominated news headlines. But today, let's shed light on 3 crises that you may have missed in 2017. A full-scale war has been raging in Yemen at immense cost to the population. Earlier this year, we treated a massive outbreak of the waterborne disease, cholera. And now that cholera cases are finally starting to come down, we're seeing increasing cases of a potentially fatal bacterial infection called diphtheria. The intense fighting and a blockade of humanitarian supplies has drastically reduced access to healthcare, exacerbating these public health emergencies. Now let's move on to the Central African Republic, which is still very much an emergency. This small country has been stuck in a violent conflict since a political crisis erupted in 2013. About half the population is still in urgent need of humanitarian assistance. This year, we've seen a drastic increase in the number of patients needing treatment for injuries related to violence. Malnutrition was also reaching catastrophic levels, and the country's supply of medicine and health workers is still almost non-existent. This year, the world continued to see record levels of displacement, with more people driven from their homes by war, violence, and disaster than at any one time since the Second World War. In 2017, we've continued our search and rescue operations on the Mediterranean Sea, where we're still pulling people out of sinking vessels. Many of these people are fleeing places where they face persecution and violence. Halfway around the globe, from the Mediterranean, we're on the front lines of another displacement crisis. Hundreds of thousands of Rohingya have fled targeted violence in Myanmar and are arriving in Bangladesh destitute, traumatized, and without access to medical care. Doctors Without Borders will continue to work where the needs are the greatest and people are the most vulnerable. And we will continue to share those stories. This has been our first year of MSF's Pulse, our bi-weekly news show where we brought you with us as we unpackaged the humanitarian world. To find out how you can help us continue to treat the world's most vulnerable patients, follow the link in the video description. We'll see you all in 2018.